সমাজের নিজ নিজ ক্ষেত্রে প্রতিষ্ঠিত নারীদের সম্প্রতি পুরস্কৃত করল রোটারি ক্লাব অফ ক্যালকাটা মেট্রো সিটি। সমাজের নারী শক্তির বিকাশ এবং মূল্যায়নের ক্ষেত্রে যাতে সর্বস্তর থেকে প্রচেষ্টা হয়, তার জন্যই রোটারি ক্লাব অফ ক্যালকাটা মেট্রো সিটির উদ্যোগ স্বয়ংসিদ্ধা অনুষ্ঠান। তারকা সমৃদ্ধ অনুষ্ঠানের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল পার্টনার হিসেবে উপস্থিত ছিলাম আমরা। ক্যালকলিংয়ের ক্যামেরায় ধরা রইল অনুষ্ঠানের কিছু রঙিন মুহূর্ত।
मधुकैटव विध्वंसी विधात्री वरदे नमः। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि। महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि। धूम्रनेत्र वधे देवी धर्म कामार्थदायिनी। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि। रक्तबीज वधे देवी चण्डमुण्ड विनाशिनी। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि। निशुम्भ शुम्भ निर्णाशि त्रैलोक्य शुभदे नमः। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि। वन्दिताङ्घ्रि युगे देवी सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनी।
Swayamsiddha was conceptualized by our club, Rotary Club of Calcutta Metro City, more than 10 years ago to recognize the outstanding achievements of women from all walks of life. In doing so, we have been able to focus role models for the future and showcase the struggles and hardships that some women have had to face before they could reach the pinnacle of success. This is the time to uphold women's achievements, recognize challenges and focus greater attention on women's rights and gender equality to mobilize all people to do their part. The Beijing Platform for Action had focused on 12 critical areas of concern, and it envisions a world where each woman and girl can exercise her choices, such as participating in politics, getting an education, having an income, and living in societies free from violence and discrimination. There are 12 critical areas. These are women and poverty, education and training of women, women and health, violence against women, women and armed conflict, women and the economy, women in power and decision making, institutional mechanisms, human rights of women, women and the media, women and the environment, and finally the girl child.
পারফর্মিং আর্টিস্ট রায়া ভট্টাচার্য থেকে শুরু করে এডুকেশনিস্ট ডক্টর রীতা চ্যাটার্জি, সিঙ্গার সায়নী পালিত, ডিজাইনার সুচিস্মিতা দাশগুপ্তর মতো বিশিষ্ট জনকে সম্মানিত করতে পেরে গর্বিত হলো রোটারি ক্লাব অফ ক্যালকাটা মেট্রো সিটি।
This is indeed a very special moment for me, a very, very happy and proud moment, memories of which I'm surely going to cherish for a long, long time. In this context, I would also like to mention that my association with Rotary Club, District 3 to 9, it was District 3 to 9 at that point in time, Rotary Club Calcutta, has been a long, very pleasant and memorable one. I was one of those privileged to be selected for the all-ladies group study exchange team that was scheduled to visit the United States of America, my first ever foreign trip, way back in the year 1989. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, thereafter I have visited United States of America umpteen number of times for my shows, my performances, for attending the Bongo Shambhilans. But I keep telling everyone till this day that the most memorable and the most special one The one that is closest to my heart till this day was the one that was made possible by Rotary Club. So I would like to take this opportunity, this platform once again, to thank and express my sincere gratitude to Rotary Club for this once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It does give me immense pleasure to be here, and I thank the Calcutta Metro City Rotary Club. I thank the Yes Bank for organizing such a wonderful occasion. All that I have to say is, before I thank anybody for this recognition that you are giving me today, I thank dear God for giving me the opportunity to work with children. I can tell you, I'm sure you all know, that it is really, really wonderful to work with the youth of today, and unlike many, I feel that today's children are very, very rewarding, and should you guide them the right way, they are absolutely angels.
My regards to all of you who are present here. And receiving an award is always special for an artist, especially when it comes from an organization like Rotary. Would like to thank Rotary UWSE, I'm not wrong, I think, and Yes Bank for giving me this, for honoring me with this award, Swayam Siddha. I don't know whether I deserve it or not, but it would definitely inspire me to entertain you and to serve better music.
Let me thank, good evening all of you, let me thank Rotary Club of Calcutta Metro City and all the sponsors. I wouldn't start with a list of thank you like an Oscar. I would just like to say that I would like to thank all the men and women who loved me, hated me, inspired me. They all made who I am today. It's funny that I'm getting this Swayam Siddha award for being a woman. I would like to thank my parents who have never let me feel like a woman. I have always been brought up as an individual. So I would like to thank them because I never felt like a woman. So it never was a tough job for me to do what I did. I just followed my dream. They let me follow my dream. I have a lot of people to thank, but I would just stop with that.
रंग देख जिया ललचाए, रंग देख जिया ललचाए, रंग देख जिया ललचाए। देखो कान्हा ब्रिज में होरी मचाए, देखो कान्हा ब्रिज में होरी मचाए।